This is the Umidigi Note 100A from Umidigi, a very light phone with some impressive features. If you are looking for a phone that is different from the other popular brands that we have around, you should try this device. Let me tell you everything about it. The price is 190,000 naira on Jumia, equivalent to approximately $125. It comes inside this blue and white package, and inside you get a bumper case, a Type-C cable, a SIM eject pin, and a 10-watt charging brick. This phone supports 20 watts charging, so if you replace the charger with a 20 watt charger, it charges really quick. The design of the phone is quite impressive, featuring 4 amazing colors. It has a brushed paint craft at the back that appears to be rough, but actually it is smooth. The camera module features 2 cameras and a flashlight, and there is the Umidigi design at the bottom back. The right side comes with the volume control and the power button, which is also the fingerprint unlock. On the SIM tray, there are 2 SIM slots available, but if you are inserting an SD card, you can only use 1 SIM. The bottom side of the phone houses the charging port, the speaker, and the microphone. There is also a second microphone at the top of the phone. Later in this video, I will talk about how effective these 2 microphones are when it comes to noise cancellation during video recording. One of the advantages of the Umidigi Note 100A over other devices in this price range is the display. It is not an AMOLED display and the resolution is just 720 pixels, but it offers a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling very fast. What makes it better is that you can simply go to the settings and choose the refresh rate mode you want. In most devices, it is automatic and you don't get to choose. It doesn't just end there. The touch sampling rate is 240 Hz. Meanwhile, in other devices, you get 120 Hz. The combination of the touch sampling rate and the UNISOC T615 processor makes gaming on this device run smoothly. I will talk more about the gaming performance in a moment. Umidigi is known for prioritizing displays with eye care features. Other brands do have eye care mode in their display, but you will have to go to settings to activate it first. And you know that a lot of people these days don't really care about how the brightness from a phone screen can affect their eyes over a period of time. But the display of this phone is actually already protecting your eyes even though you are not aware of it. The reason is that the eye care mode is automatically applied from the moment you turn the phone on. Because of the slim bezels around the display, this large 6.8 inches screen is most convenient for playing games and watching movies. Plus, the display also responds very fast to touch. How well does the camera of this Umidigi Note 100A perform? Before I tell you about the camera, let me remind you that subscribing to my channel means a lot to me, and if you like this video, it will help me a lot. The camera comes with a 13 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel selfie sensor. It has a lot of features, a little more than what I have seen in other Umidigi phones. For example, the normal photo mode has a lot of settings, like choosing the picture quality and setting the storage path. It also comes with some predefined color settings that you can quickly apply. The quality of images from this camera is pretty decent. You can further improve the quality with the in-app facial features on the camera interface. One of the aspects of the camera that I love so much is the focus feature. In fact, I just love any camera with great focus that can blur background nicely. The camera here has this focus level, which is the one reason I love it. But for some reason, it doesn't work for me. So I just touch the subject or the background to solve the focus issue, and it works nicely. In the portrait mode, if you are close to the camera, you get very good blurred background pictures. Over to the video mode, it supports recording in 1080 pixel resolution at 30 frames per second. It also comes with a bunch of settings like image stabilization, face detection, and auto switching between the upper and lower microphone. I took different videos under different circumstances and the result varied, largely depending on lighting. The front camera with an 8 megapixel sensor also takes very useful pictures. One advantage of this camera is the portrait mode. It turns out that the blur level works well with the selfie camera, so you get to choose the quantity of unfocus level in the background of your picture, basically meaning that you get to decide how much blur you want in the background of your picture. I also recorded some videos with the front camera. It doesn't support 1080p recording. The highest you can go with it is 720p. When it comes to video recording, whether with the front or the back camera, one thing you will appreciate with this device is the ability of the microphone to cancel surrounding noise. In the next video, you will notice how the background noise was quickly eliminated. Okay guys, so this is the front camera of the Umidigi Note 100A. You will notice that initially when I started this video, there's background noise all around, but right now the noise has reduced. I've tried this camera multiple times and I find out that it adapts and reduces background noise. There's a road just ahead of me, in front of me here. You see cars that are passing by. But despite the horn from the car, despite the noises from the noise from the surrounding, it's able to eliminate the background noise to a certain level to make the what I'm saying stand out. And I guess you can hear that from my voice from this video. I believe that for a phone of 190K, the camera could have been better. But because the performance is good, I can focus less on the camera. Because of the good performance, gaming on this device is very smooth. You will hardly encounter overheating and lagging issues with the Umidigi Note 100A. And the battery is very strong as well. Just imagine playing any high graphic game of your choice for a considerable amount of time without any of the usual troubles you get from other devices. Earlier in this video, I mentioned that the touch sampling rate of this display is 240 Hz, and this makes it easy for the phone to quickly perform in-game actions such as passing, shooting and running. Considering that the phone is light, weighing only 192 grams, the Umidigi Note 100A can be regarded as an entry-level gaming device. Umidigi is one of the few brands that make standard phones that really last. I don't think I've heard anyone complain about their devices in the past, and the reason why this phone is up to 190,000 naira is probably because of the quality they are providing. If you have any question on the Umidigi Note 100A, ask them in the comments and I will respond. The phone is available on Jumia, just in case you want to check it out. I leave the link in the description of this video. Go check it out.